The phrase fair shake is an idiomatic expression that conveys the notion of receiving equal and just treatment, opportunities, or chances. It encapsulates the idea that everyone should be given a fair and impartial chance, devoid of bias or discrimination. This expression is often used to discuss issues of equity, fairness, and justice, particularly in contexts where individuals seek equal treatment or access to resources. The literal interpretation of fair shake brings to mind the image of evenly distributing something, as if each person is given an equal portion. This metaphor extends to the realm of opportunities and treatment, suggesting that everyone should have an equal shot at success, recognition, or favorable outcomes. For example, if a person believes they weren't given a fair shake in a job interview, they may feel that they weren't evaluated on an equal footing with other candidates. The phrase is versatile and applicable in various settings, from personal interactions to discussions of social, political, and economic matters. It highlights the principle that justice and fairness should prevail, and it calls attention to instances where this principle may not have been upheld. By using fair shake, individuals express a desire for equitable treatment and a level playing field. In contexts where systemic inequalities or prejudices exist, the phrase fair shake takes on added significance. It underscores the importance of addressing these disparities and striving for equal opportunities for all, regardless of their background or circumstances. For instance, conversations about diversity and inclusion often center around providing marginalized groups with a fair shake in education, employment, and other spheres of life. The expression also suggests a moral imperative to consider each person's individual circumstances and needs when making decisions. This concept aligns with the broader principles of justice and compassion, emphasizing that treating individuals fairly means recognizing their uniqueness and taking it into account when assessing situations. Fair shake serves as a call to action, urging individuals, institutions, and society as a whole to uphold the principles of fairness and equal treatment. It invites reflection on how personal biases or systemic barriers might hinder the realization of these ideals and encourages efforts to rectify such imbalances. In conclusion, fair shake is an idiomatic expression that encapsulates the concept of equal and impartial treatment, opportunities, and chances. It conveys the principle that everyone deserves a fair shot at success, recognition, and positive outcomes. The phrase holds relevance in discussions of justice, equity, and fairness, particularly in contexts where disparities or prejudices exist. By using fair shake, individuals emphasize the importance of upholding these principles and striving for equal treatment and opportunities for all.